Peace, y'all. So I got myself the SOYUZ microphone preamp. I'm about to unbox that right now, and yeah, see what's going on. Alright, so this is the SOYUZ analog launcher right here. It is small, but it got some weight to it, so hopefully that's a good sign of it being of quality. And of course, in beautiful Sweetwater fashion, we got some delectable candies here, you know, for those producer late night munchies. And they had a special going on where they were actually giving away a XLR cable, microphone cable, which is super helpful, like super helpful. So thank you, Sweetwater. Shout out to y'all. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this wonderful box of tricks. Okay, so you open up the box just like that, you know, boom, it's open right up. And let's see what it's saying here. Custom transformer, color depth, okay. Boost the soft signals, and that's exactly why, one of the reasons I got this. I love that it performs great with any interface. I have multiple interfaces that I use, so this would be great to interchange those. Let's see, levitates between headphones. Bring studio quality to your live shows. Yeah, that's exactly why I'm getting this. I want to be portable, but I also want my portable sound to, you know, have some kind of analog color and character and sweetness to it. What's this last one say? Facilitates long cable runs. Okay, all right. You know, we need that. And I didn't know, but this comes with a nice a carrying case. So they already know, like, most people are getting this for portable, you know, to be portable. So I super appreciate it. Wow, every time I pick this thing up, it's so small, but it has, like, it's got a little weight to it, man. It's actually kind of cool. Let's go ahead and unzip this bad boy. Okay, so we are unzipped, and here is the baby, the launcher. Yeah, this little box of tricks right here is gonna make my portable recording sound so much better. I cannot wait to use this. Have you probably seen in my other video, I got the Scarlett 2i as my kind of portable interface, so that's what I'm using. And I think they gave us some pretty awesome stickers. Hey, the launcher. I love that that branding. That's really cool color combination. And the font is cool too, real smooth. So yeah, man, this is like the whole package here, you know. Oh yeah, of course, counting the candies. You know, you can't forget the candies. So shout out to SOYUZ. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. SOYUZ, 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 SOYUZ. Alright, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Peace. So there was actually one little part I forgot. This little card sleeve here, and let me see what's going on inside here. It's a lot easier with two hands, by the way. Oh. Alright, got that open. So looks like they keep it official. They dated and everything as far as when this was the launcher was minted, which is pretty cool. We even got the engineer on there. Let's drop that in there. We got the other engineer in there, so I guess there was two engineers on this one. Shout out to these guys. Okay, pretty cool little business looking car here. Let's see what's on the back of that. Okay, thank you for your purchase. You have any questions or concerns? Okay, so it's just a like thank you note, you know what I'm saying? The SOYUZ family. I appreciate this branding, I really do. Okay, looks like a quick start guide. Okay, cool. It's not meant to be a transparent and clean like other game boosters. Yeah, we want that dirty analog color. On the contrary, it was designed to be the exact opposite. Yep. Imagine squeezing the spirit of an old analog console into a little magic box. That's what you get with the launcher. Oh man, I can't wait to hear how this don't sound, man. And it looks like a more official quick start guide, you know, all the good stuff. Different languages, Spanish, Netherlands, Dutch. What else? Italian. Yeah, this is. Yeah, man. English. Turn off the phantom power before connecting and disconnecting the launcher. That's good to know. Connect the launcher to the microphone interface using 2 standard 3-pin XLR cables. That's good to know too. To activate the launcher and pass single, turn on the 48-volt phantom power. Okay, so I think they're saying that the launcher itself has a phantom power button. Is that what they're saying? They're probably just talking about the interface for real. Because, yeah, I figured that. I'm like, I don't think this has any buttons on it. I think it's just, you know, plug and play kind of thing. You know what I mean? Oh, wow. Made in Russia. And I think that is officially the last piece. So, super happy already. I haven't even heard the thing, but I'm super happy already with the fact that it comes with a carrying case, how small it is, branding, and my extra cable. Shout out to Sweetwater, yo. Super helpful. Can't forget the candy. Alright, y'all. Peace for real this time. I'm out.